Rhythm machine. Basic functions. Learn about the playback functions and how to select musical instruments. Settings. You can set several options, such as specific time, tempo, metronome, and more.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Rhythm Machine app. Mark where the given musical instrument should be active. Click on this icon to start playback of the piece of music you have just composed. Click on this icon to pause playback. Click on this icon to stop playback. Click on any of the musical instruments in order to enter selection mode. Click on the play icon underneath the musical instrument to listen to its sound. Select a musical instrument by clicking. Click on the home icon to restore default settings. Click here in order to set the time signature. Click on this icon if you wish to enable the metronome. With the help of the plus and minus signs, you can set the tempo. Click on this icon if you wish to mute the given musical instrument. Click here in order to double the number of rhythm tiles. Click here in order to set the volume. Click here if you wish to insert the app into mozaBook. There are several options to choose from. If you wish to receive further information about our apps, please visit our website.